If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy A27 supports wired power sharing, then the answer is yes. If you want to charge another device using your Samsung Galaxy A27 and you want to use a USB cable for that, then you can easily do so. You just have to connect your Galaxy A27 to that other device that you want to charge. This can be another smartphone, a Bluetooth device that has USB port, or just anything else that can be charged with USB, usually USB-C, of course. And there we go. You will most likely start charging immediately. However, it is also possible that your phone is going to be charged instead of charging. So in that case, if that happens, you need to find a notification about USB charging or something like that. And you should be able to open USB settings, and you want to go to charge connected device. You want to make sure that this option is enabled, because if it's not, especially in the case of connecting two smartphones together, then in that case, your Galaxy A27 is going to be charged instead of charging. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.